Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to get more dice in Monopoly Go. So let's jump into it. There's a few different ways you can get more dice in Monopoly Go. So I'm just going to talk through those methods. First thing, open the game and get daily treats every day when you open the game. Now press the collect button of daily treats. And now press the free option. As you can see, you get 15 dice. Now press the wins option. And press tap to claim. Every 17th hours you can get some cash. We need to play games for more free dice. Now press the wins option again and press tap to claim. Get 10 dice. Now close this page. Now you can see the top right side corner. Press the 3 lines option and press the shop option. Now you can see the free get is here, so press the free option. Now you get 28 dice and some stickers. So you can see some different methods of how you can get more dice in Monopoly Go. If you like this video, please do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video.